I've recently got this guide system for my router. It's Bosch. Haven't seen many videos online how you use it and that, so I thought I'd show you quickly. I only got it the other day, so I don't know too much, but I'll show you what I know. I'm going to mark some lines on here. So say I want to do like a dado, I just want to take out a little bit along here. And just put the camera down a sec while I do this. I've done 3 lines along here, so I want to root out between these 2 lines here, and this I've just put this line here as a guide to put this against. So let's put this on here. Right, let's see. I think my I've just dropped my clamps. 1 second. I bought it as a kit, and these you get 2 of these clamps with them which go on the end. So just put that back in there. There's a little slot so it goes in. If I can find it from here. Where is it? About there. That's it. Goes into the slot there, like this. There's a slot here. It can slide along on there. Right. So I line the guide with this line along here. Try and get it straight. That'll do. Then clamp it in. Clamp it down on both sides. Right, okay. It's quite easy to clamp. I've done it with one hand, obviously, while holding the camera. Then you have this bit on here. You have this little bit here, which sits into there. So you just put that on, and that's it. And then you can slide it backwards and forwards along there. Okay. Right. The interesting thing about this, you have this dial here, which moves the router left or right. So I'll show you how that works. So if I get it roughly, in the middle there, 1 sec. Okay, that's good. Right. Turn it on so we've got some light as well. So I hope you can see this here. So I'll bring it down. So it just starts cutting the wood. I can slide it. And I'll just bring it back to the start. Now I'll try to show you how you line up. If you can see that. I'm going to turn this and line up with the line. So you undo the lock. You just turn the dial. You can go across towards the line. That will do. Push that again. Bring it back. Then you do the dial the other way to bring it, to bring it towards the next line. Once you got to the line, you lock it with this. Sorry, it's hard to explain in one hand, but I'll show you how easy it is because I've done everything in one hand while holding the camera. So this is the lock here. You lock this here, then this bit here, the whole router, you see this? The whole assembly, as you turn that, the whole assembly moves. So it's quite accurate. I'll take this off so you can see. That's it, and get it exactly along the line. And as I said, I've done that with one hand, so seems to be a really good system. Okay. There you go, I just wanted to show that.